Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. To the unknown, we lift our hearts and gaze. From towers' heights, we saw those tragic days. Fires raged, people leapt in desperate despair. With We Are One, we all have a heart, we all have a soul, we shared. Tower 1 and Tower 2, in grey dust they did fade. From the 16th floor south we glared, our hearts in anguish, this is no charade. The horror etched within our souls, vivid and stark. As the towers turned to dust, life shattered in the dark. Leaping from the windows, they sought escape. Halting all duties, breaking every binding tape. We watched in horror, an eyewitness view. Embracing the hard truth, this was something new. The walk home, a journey through collective pain. From desks and duties, none did stand to gain. Thousands walked, each direction, we roamed. Knowing our own feet must lead us safely home. Seeking solace in the first liquor store we would pass. No one got drunk, it was fuel to last. New Yorkers, united, in this tragic frame. Different paths, but one shared destination, the same. Walking, talking, sharing our deepest fears. As the world blurred, and our eyes filled with tears. Azure skies turned to ashen gray. The golden sun hidden by the dust's array. Years have passed, questions linger in our minds. About what truly happened on that fateful time. Amidst pros and cons, debates persist and churn. One aspect neglected, an important concern. The unknown souls who perished on that mournful day. Deserve recognition, in our hearts, they'll stay. In the quest for truth and understanding's birth. Let's remember those lost souls, their true worth. To the souls in tunnels, hidden from our sight. In this solemn commemoration, your plight is still not right. As towers crumbled to grey dust, chaos which spread could not hide. We remember you, the unknown, with hearts open wide. Thousands perished, a city's heart did break. In the tower's collapse, humanity's ache. To the unknown, our hearts embrace, you have been given grace. In this remembrance, you find your rightful place. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.